The ABCs are the most basic part of any language, right? Today's Spanish lesson is just that. Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish with Unacademy. Today we're diving into the ABCs in Spanish. I decided to divide this lesson into beginners and intermediates. So, we'll go through the letters of the alphabet and I'm gonna give you one common item as an example. Then I'm gonna use this item in a sentence so we can level it up a little bit. Ready to learn your ABCs en español? Empecemos. A. Agua, water. El agua es esencial para la vida. Water is essential for life. B. Banco. Voy al banco todos los lunes. I go to the bank every Monday. C. Casa, house. Mi casa es muy acogedora. My house is very cozy. D. Dinero, money. Necesito dinero para comprar comida. I need money to buy food. E. Estudiante, student. El estudiante está en la biblioteca. The student is in the library. F. Familia, family. Mi familia es muy unida. My family is very close-knit. G. Gato, cat. El gato duerme en el sofá. The cat sleeps on the sofa. H for hotel. Nos alojamos en un hotel lujoso. We stayed in a luxurious hotel. I for invitación, invitation. Recibí una invitación para la fiesta. I received an invitation to the party. J. Jardín, garden. El jardín está lleno de flores. The garden is full of flowers. K. Kilómetro, kilometer. Corrí un kilómetro esta mañana. I ran a kilometer this morning. L. Libro, book. Estoy leyendo un libro interesante. I am reading an interesting book. M. Mesa, table. La mesa está en el comedor. The table is in the dining room. Okay, it's time for my daily lessons. Would you like to do my Spanish lesson with me? Yeah, I don't want to lose my streak. Let's get started.
Amigo. Amigo means friend, a term commonly used in Spanish to denote companionship and friendship.
Translate the sentence. Nice to meet you, friend.
Mucho. Mucho gusto, amigo.
Okay, very good. Let's see the next one. Match the following. Oh, so we have amigo for one and amigos, plural, for two or more. Very good. Let's continue.
Adiós. Adiós is Spanish for bye or goodbye, making it one of the most common and informal ways to bid farewell in Spanish.
Translate the sentence. Goodbye, friend.
Adiós, amigo.
Match the following. Señor, señora. So, we know for sure that señora is female, right? So, we're gonna do señor with a masculine. Very good.
Señorita is Spanish for miss, used politely to refer to a young or unmarried woman.
Complete the sentence. Goodbye, miss. Adiós.
Adiós, señorita.
Adiós, señorita. Very good. Okay, good, excellent. Now I have my streak of the day and I can continue teaching the letters of the alphabet. So let's continue, shall we? N, noche. La noche es tranquila y fresca. The night is calm and cool. Ñ, niño, child. El niño juega en el parque. The child plays in the park. O, ojo, eye. Me duele el ojo izquierdo. My left eye hurts. P, puerta, door. Cierra la puerta, por favor. Close the door, please. Q, queso, cheese. Me encantan las hamburguesas con queso. I love hamburgers with cheese. R, reloj. El reloj marca las 8 en punto. The clock shows 8 o'clock. S, silla. La silla es muy cómoda. The chair is very comfortable. T, teléfono, phone. No encuentro mi teléfono. I can't find my phone. U, uva. Las uvas están dulces y frescas. The grapes are sweet and fresh. V, ventana, window. La ventana está abierta. The window is open. W, Wi-Fi. El Wi-Fi en la cafetería es muy rápido. The Wi-Fi at the cafe is very fast. X, xilófono, xylophone. El niño toca el xilófono en la escuela. The child plays the xylophone at school. Y or Y for yogurt, yogurt. El yogurt de fresa es mi favorito. Strawberry yogurt is my favorite. Z, zapato, shoe. Perdí un zapato en la fiesta. I lost a shoe at the party. And there you have it, amigos. Now you know the Spanish alphabet from the A to the Z with useful examples for each letter. Practice these words daily and you'll be speaking Spanish in no time. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share this with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Learn Spanish with An Academy. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.